In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find diamond ore in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. The fastest way to find diamond ore in the overworld is to mine at the correct height. In this version, diamond ore is most common around Y level -16. That means your first goal is to reach that layer safely and begin mining there. Start by entering the overworld and preparing a basic mining setup. Bring a pickaxe, food, torches, and blocks for safety. A water bucket is also very useful if you have one, especially when dealing with lava. Once you are ready, begin digging down until you reach Y-16. You can check your current coordinates on the screen so you know when you have reached the right level. As you dig down, avoid mining straight under your feet. Dig in a safer pattern so you do not fall into lava or a deep cave. When you get close to Y-16, slow down and make sure the area around you is safe before continuing. Once you are at Y-16, start exploring any caves you find at that depth, or begin strip mining through the stone. This is the level where diamond ore appears most often, so staying close to this height gives you the best chance of finding it. If you are in a cave, look along the walls, ceiling, and floor for diamond ore blocks. If you are strip mining, create a main tunnel and branch out as needed while keeping your path well lit and easy to follow. Be careful around lava, since it is very common at this level. If you uncover lava near diamond ore, clear the area carefully before mining the blocks. This helps prevent the diamonds from falling into the lava and being destroyed. If needed, place blocks or water to make the area safe first. Keep mining or exploring at Y-16 until you find diamond ore. If you do not see any right away, continue in a steady pattern. Diamond ore can take time to locate, but staying at the correct level is the most important part of the process. Once you find the ore, mine it with the correct pickaxe so it drops diamonds. Then collect your diamonds and continue searching if you want more. That covers everything you need to know.